Did you know that a kitchen blunder transformed mealtime traditions? In the 1970s, a fortuitous mistake led to the rise of the modern slow cooker, altering dinner time dynamics forever. Intended to ease the burdens of bustling households, it inadvertently became a culinary icon. Initially overlooked, this humble device gained enormous popularity when cooks discovered its magic. Low, consistent heat that unlocked flavors and tenderized even the toughest cuts. Families embraced the newfound freedom of set-it-and-forget-it meals. Today, the slow cooker epitomizes both convenience and gourmet potential, proof that some misfires can lead to delicious revelations.